How to turn off sensors on your Android device. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off your sensors on Android device. This includes your camera sensor and your microphone sensor as well. So as you guys know, if you open any camera app on your Android, you can see this green dot at the top of your screen that indicates that your sensors are active right now, whether it be your camera or microphone sensor. You will see the green dot on the top right corner of your screen. But if you want to disable your sensors, then what you can do is first head over to your settings, and once you head over to your settings, just scroll down until you see this option right here. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the developers option. Just tap on it, and from here just scroll down until you see quick settings developer style, and sensor off option is right over here. Just turn it on, and once you do that, you should get this option that says sensor off. So if I turn it off right now, I won't be able to access my microphone or camera. So I'm just going to show right here. Most probably my voice is also going to cut off because of this. So as you guys just saw there, I was not able to open my camera, but if I turn it off, I'm easily able to access my camera as well. My microphone access was also cut off when I turn it on. So if I just turn on the sensor off option, it will cut off all of your camera and microphone access. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.